Hi friends! Today I am excited to try my budget brush tip markers and they are better than I expected. These are the Deli Finenolo alcohol markers and I am using the 80 marker set. This is not a sponsored video, but I am sharing with you a cheaper alternative to my Ohuhu markers that I also love. I talked about this in my previous video and also compared the price with Ohuhu. The colors are beautiful and the ink does not peel my paper at all, no matter how many times I layer the colors. Here's the color swatch of the 80 markers on marker paper. Some colors are very light, so I swatched them on printer paper. My goal for this project is to try out the very light pastel colors. Here's my simple coloring process. I wanted a pink ice cream truck, so I got this image from the internet as my inspiration. Then, I pulled out the markers that I like and swatched them on printer paper, then decided on blue-gray as my underpainting color. I started coloring with gray, then laid the main color over it. After a few minutes, I would layer the colors to distinguish darker and lighter areas. My biggest mistake was I used an acrylic marker over it before coloring on the second day. I thought it would be nice to add some highlights, but I didn't want to use a white gel pen. So I used this pastel acrylic marker, and what happened was I couldn't color over it the next day. I should remember to use the acrylic markers only in the end and not in the middle. When everything was done, I let it dry overnight and colored over it the next day. This time, I used a darker gray to deepen some shadow areas. In the end, I love how this coloring page turned out, and more importantly, I enjoyed the process of coloring it. These budget markers are really worth buying for me, and the experience of using it is very much the same as with Ohuhu. So now I wonder, can I use these brands together? Let me know if you've tried mixing brands and how it worked. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope this inspires you in your coloring journey.